if you come over here, Mr. Video Man, and all y'all can join because he's being so great at his job. So generally have 2 stickers on this vehicle. They're usually on either the door or on, this is called the B post. A post, B post, C post, right? Generally on the B post. In the Chevy, it's down here. Dodge, it's on the door over here. On this particular Ford, we got the VIN. Tells you what year. This one was built 12/12, so it's technically a 2013 model, which is interesting because isn't mine a 2013? I think it's the same year, right?
Same year, different color.
Different color. Yeah, this one's nicer. And then this one is the tire information. So it tells us what size of tire and what tire pressure we need to be. So we need to be 36 PSI. 36 PSI is what our tires need to be on this one.